So you might be running into this problem on Facebook, or for some reason your Facebook friend requests are just not sending for some reason. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. Facebook, as you know, is a very popular application, and a lot of issues can basically happen and arise from this particular app. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing is just going through and making sure that your particular account didn't have any restrictions or have any issues within it. Most of the time, if you're running into this problem, it's usually due because your particular Facebook account just ran into some problem where either you're doing some community guideline violations or something along those lines. So what you want to do is you want to check your email. You want to see if you got any messages from Facebook saying that you got an issue with Facebook in your account or something along those lines. That's basically the first way to start it. Now that doesn't seem to be the issue. Another thing you may want to try doing, and this can sometimes be the issue, is making your way over to your internet browser and going to a website like downdetector.com or isitdownrightnow.com. One of these types of websites which basically shows you what's up and what's down. You want to make your way over here, and all you're going to want to do is see if Facebook is on here. Now, Facebook, if it's down, it's going to be one of the first applications you're going to see. If it's not one of the first ones, then it may not be down. But you can see right here, if you can see Facebook is going down like this or it's trending upwards, that basically means Facebook has an issue within it. And what you're going to basically have to do is just kind of wait it out until Facebook fixes the issue. So you can see it's about to go down right now, or it's already been down. There's a lot of reports of it. So if it looks like this, you're basically just going to have to wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. That doesn't seem to be the issue. What you can also do is you can make your way over to your App Store or your Google Play Store and basically just search up Facebook. So you can search up Facebook just like this, and what you're going to want to do is you want to update your Facebook application. If it's been outdated for a long period of time, you want to go and try updating it, and that's another way you can try fixing this problem as well. So those are basically the main ways to go and fix this issue for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.